Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove weekends on Monday.com. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and go to Monday.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile picture. Click on your profile picture to open the account menu. From the dropdown that appears, click on Administration. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various settings for your Monday.com workspace. Once you're in the administration section, take a look at the left panel of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Account. This section contains the general settings for your workspace, including preferences that affect how your boards display information and calculate timelines. Now scroll through the account settings until you find the option labeled Hide Weekends and exclude them from calculations. This setting is exactly what you need to remove weekends from your view and ensure they don't factor into any time-based calculations on your boards. Once you locate it, click the circle beside this option to enable it. This will activate the setting and immediately apply the change across your entire workspace. And that's it. You've successfully removed weekends from Monday.com, which means your boards will now display only weekdays and your timeline calculations will exclude Saturday and Sunday. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.